नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पालकांनो, मी प्राध्यापक क्षीरसागर सर, संचालक टॉपर्स अकॅडमी. यावर्षी कोरोनाने खूप सारं थैमान माजवले महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आणि म्हणून आपल्याला आपले रेग्युलर लेक्चर्स घेता येत नाही आहे. तर तुमचं शैक्षणिकदृष्ट्या नुकसान होऊ नये आणि म्हणून आपण ऑनलाईन एज्युकेशन चालू करतो आहे. सुरुवातीला आपण थोडासा काही पार्ट घेतलेला आहे, परत रिवाईज करून घेतो आहे. 12वीच्या नवीन सिलेबसनुसार आलेला लेसन 10 नंबरचा हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ऑफ अल्केन आपण चालू करतो आहे. लेसन खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे, वेटेज खूप आहे. या लेसनमध्ये जर तुम्हाला सगळे डाऊट्स क्लिअर झाले तर पुढचं 12वीचं ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री खूप सोपं आहे आणि म्हणून या लेसनकडे नीट बारकाईने लक्ष द्या. बरेचसे पुढचे लेसन्स त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड आहे. लेसन नंबर 10, हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ऑफ अल्केन. नाव, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय हॅलोजन? व्हॉट इज मीन बाय डेरिव्हेटिव्ह? हॅलोजन इज नथिंग बट हॅलोस प्लस जिन्स, दॅट इज sea salt. Halogen, 17th group elements, those are possessing -1 valency. Those are 7th A group elements, halogens. More electronegative element, halogens. Halus plus Gins, Halus C, Gins salt, and therefore it is said to be halogen. Now what is mean by derivatives? Derivatives are nothing but the compounds. Compounds कोणाचे? हॅलोजनचे. ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड हॅलोजनचे, दॅट इज नथिंग बट हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ऑफ अल्केन्स. So that we can define what is mean by halogen derivative. If one or more hydrogen atoms of an alkanes are replaced by equal number of halogen atoms, compound so formed is known as halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. That is halogen derivatives. These halogen derivatives are classified into mainly two types. That is, halogen derivatives classified into mainly two types. I said first, what is mean by halogens? Halogens, Halus plus Gins. Halus plus Gins. Halus means sea, Gins means salt, and therefore they are said to be halogens. Halogen derivatives are classified into mainly two types according to replacement where it is attached. That is haloalkanes, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloarenes. Now what is mean by haloalkanes? If one or more hydrogen atoms of an alkanes are replaced by equal number of halogen atoms, compounds so formed are known as halogen derivative of alkanes. On the other side, what is mean by haloarenes? If one or more hydrogen atoms of an arenes, arenes means like benzene ring compounds, are replaced by halogen atoms, compound so formed are known as haloarenes. That is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now this classification is according to the attachment of halogen atom to what we say that aliphatic organic compound and aromatic organic compound. These aliphatic, these aromatic. Now these we are going to study these haloalkanes. Now what is mean by haloalkanes? If one or more hydrogen atoms of an alkanes are replaced by equal number of halogen atoms, compound so formed is known as halogen derivatives of alkanes or haloalkanes. According to actual number of replacement of halogen atoms, they are again classified into mainly two types, that is monohaloalkanes and polyhaloalkanes. What is monohaloalkanes? Monohaloalkanes and polyhaloalkanes. Now, what is mean by monohaloalkanes? If one hydrogen atom of an alkanes are replaced by one halogen atom, compounds so formed are known as monohaloalkanes or monohalogen derivatives, or they are also known as alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Polyhaloalkanes. What is polyhaloalkanes? If more than one hydrogen atom of an alkanes are replaced by equal number of halogen atoms, compound so formed are known as polyhalogen derivatives of alkanes or polyhaloalkanes or polyhalides. That is polyhaloalkanes, polyhalides. On the other side, we have studied monohaloalkanes first. Now these monohaloalkanes or alkyl halide again classified into mainly three types, that is primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. This classification is according to the attachment of halogen atom to the carbon atom. These classification according to the attachment to the aliphatic, aromatic. These classification according to number of replacement of hydrogen atom, attachment of halogen atom. This monohalogen derivatives, alkyl halides classification is according to the attachment of the halogen atom attached to the carbon atom. Now you have studied how many types of carbon atom? There are 4 types of carbon atom, that is primary carbon atom denoted by 1:0, secondary carbon atom denoted by 2:0, tertiary carbon atom denoted by 3:0, quaternary carbon atom denoted by 4:0. What are these types? You have studied in 11th standard, that is primary, secondary, tertiary. Now see that primary carbon atom, if the carbon atom which is attached by only single group, that is the primary carbon atom. If carbon atom is attached by two groups, two carbon atom, this carbon atom is a primary, this carbon atom is attached by other two carbon atom, therefore it is secondary. Primary, secondary. This carbon atom is attached by other three carbon atom, three groups, therefore it is a tertiary carbon atom. This carbon atom is attached by other four carbon atom, therefore it is quaternary carbon atom. This carbon atom is a primary only single. Primary only single. These are the different types of carbon atom. Now, According to this attachment, these alkyl halides are classified. Studied. If what we can say 4C4H9Cl. See that 4 different types, 3 different CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Cl. Halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Cl. This carbon atom is a primary. Same formula. If halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom, CH2Cl. See this, halogen atom attached carbon atom is a secondary, therefore it is secondary alkyl halide. Halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom, therefore it is a primary alkyl halide. Tertiary, CH3C, CH3Cl, tertiary carbon atom. This is tertiary carbon atom, therefore tertiary alkyl halide. Now you have studied here quaternary carbon atom. This is quaternary carbon atom is not attacked by halogen atom, and therefore quaternary alkyl halide is not possible. Therefore alkyl halides are mainly classified into how many types? 3 types: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. Primary butyl chloride, secondary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. Remember, very important thing, isobutyl chloride is primary only. See that, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2Cl. This halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom, and therefore it is a primary alkyl halide only. Sometime this question may come in CET, JEE, NEET. Many times it have come. Remember, isopropyl halide, CH, CH3Cl. This is isopropyl chloride. Halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached by 2 carbon, other 2 carbon, and therefore this is secondary alkyl halide. So that you will have to remember, isobutyl halide is a primary and isopropyl halide is a secondary. Isobutyl halide is a primary, isopropyl halide is a secondary. Again, one most important thing, that is sometimes question may come, neopentyl halide is a primary, secondary or tertiary. What is neopentyl halide? Neopentyl halide is like this, CH3, 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 CH2Cl. This is a neopentyl halide. This halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom, and therefore you will have to remember, neopentyl halide is a primary only, never secondary, never tertiary, never quaternary. Quaternary alkyl halide is not possible only. So that you will have to remember all the 3 things, that is neopentyl halide is a primary, isobutropyl halide is a secondary, and isobutyl halide is a primary. Neopentyl halide is a primary, isopropyl halide is a secondary, isobutyl halide is a primary. These are the important things which question may come in CET. So that you pause the video and write it down, so that will further, these are the important things. Now remember, these are the first part of classification of what we say that alkyl halide. Alkyl halideचं हे पहिलं क्लासिफिकेशन आहे, इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी, टर्शरी, CET मध्ये येणारे प्रश्न. नाउ पॉलीहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. व्हॉट इज पॉलीहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह? स्टडीड द डेफिनेशन. इफ मोर दॅन वन हायड्रोजन ॲटम इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय इक्वल नंबर ऑफ हॅलोजन ॲटम, कंपाउंड सो फॉर्म्ड इज नोन ॲज polyhalides, polyhalogen derivative, polyhaloalkanes. Actual number of replacement of halogen atom, they are again classified into different types, that is dihalogen derivative, dihaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihalogen derivative, trihaloalkane, tetrahalogen derivative, tetrahaloalkane, and polyhalogen derivative, polyhaloalkane. Dihalogen derivative, you can say CH2Cl2, two hydrogen atoms of an alkane are replaced by two halogen atom, compound is known as dihaloalkane. Trihalogen derivative, three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three halogen atom, compounds are known as trihalogen derivative, trihaloalkane. Tetrahaloalkane, four hydrogen atoms are replaced by four halogen atom, compound is known as tetrahaloalkane, that is CCl4. Polyhaloalkane, again more than four hydrogen atoms are replaced by equal number of halogen atoms, compound is known as polyhalogen derivative. You can say example C2HCl5 or C2Cl6. Pentahalogen derivative, hexahalogen derivative, that is polyhalogen derivative. Here you can take example dihalogen derivative, that is C2H4Cl2. C2H4Cl2, two halogen atom only. But according to attachment, they are again classified into two types, that is geminal dihalides and vicinal dihalides. Geminal and vicinal dihalides. If both the halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, that is geminal dihalides. Now look here, see that C2H4Cl2, if both halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, geminal. Halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom, vicinal. Halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, geminal. Halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom, vicinal. This is a geminal, this is a vicinal. CH2Cl, CH2Cl. Geminal dihalides are also known as 1,1-dihaloalkane, alkylidine dihalides. Vicinal dihalides are also known as 1,2-dihaloalkane, alkylene dihalides. Vicinal, geminal. These are geminal dihalides. Example, if you studied three carbon atoms, for example, that is CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, Cl, CH3, C, Cl, Cl, CH3. See this, geminal only, geminal only. But these both the halogen atoms are attached to the primary carbon atom. Both the halogen atoms are attached to the secondary carbon atom, and therefore these geminal dihalides are again classified into two types, that is primary geminal dihalides and secondary geminal dihalides. Primary, if both the halogen atoms are attached to the primary carbon atom, then primary geminal dihalides. If both the halogen atoms are attached to the secondary carbon atom, then secondary geminal halides. That is classification of dihalogen derivative. You might be knowing, or you can consider, if what we say, that is, if structure will be like this, CH2 Cl, CH2 CH2 Cl. This is also dihalogen derivative, but halogen atoms are neither attached to the adjacent carbon atom nor to the same carbon atom. Therefore, we can't say either it is a geminal or vicinal. These halogen atoms are attached to the terminal carbon atom, and therefore they are known as terminal dihalides. That is terminal dihalides. But if halogen atoms are not to the terminal, CH, Cl, CH3, halogen atoms are attached neither geminal nor vicinal nor terminal. Therefore, these type of halides are known as non-terminal dihalides. That is non-terminal dihalides. This is terminal dihalides. This is vicinal dihalides. This is secondary geminal dihalides, primary geminal dihalides. This is the classification according to the haloalkanes, haloarenes. Now, see this attachment of halogen atom to the organic compound, aliphatic, therefore haloalkanes, aromatic, haloarenes. First half side. These, now first you please observe for few minutes. Then again, according to the attachment of the halogen atom, we'll see next classification. For 2 minutes, observe it. Okay. Second part, second type of classification, that is attachment of halogen atom. Allylic halide, benzylic halide, vinylic halide. Now, what is allylic halide, benzylic halide, vinylic halide? First, vinylic halide, vinylic halide, alkyl halide. Second one, allylic alkyl halide, allylic halide. And third one, benzylic halide. See this, what is meant by vinylic alkyl halide? If halogen atom is attached to the vinylic carbon atom Cl, this is sp2 hybrid carbon atom, that is known as vinylic alkyl halide. If halogen atom is attached to the, what we say, that allylic carbon atom, that is CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Cl, this is sp3 hybrid carbon atom, allylic halide. Benzylic halide, what is? If halogen atom is attached to the benzyl Cl, that is benzylic alkyl halide. Alpha, beta, second carbon atom layer, therefore benzylic halide may become allylic halide, remember, whereas haloarenes may become vinylic. This is sp2 hybrid carbon atom. This is the classification of halogen derivatives.